खुला हैगा हुण अंदर आ जा सकते हो फिर ओके बहुत सोहना लगदा मैं beautiful man oh, look God first time I've seen it here's the Nishan side ਉਹ ਲੰਗਰ ਵੀ ਛਕਦੇ ਹੁਣ ਲੰਗਰ ਲੰਗਰ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ Let's have a look around. There's a cave. Nice design, man. I don't know who did this. Why would God have in this tree? I've not been inside before, so I've looked at it. Very modern. So here's the bar hall upstairs. So we've got the this is a Gurdwara thing. Beautiful painting. Amazing. ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਭਾਜੀ I've got lifts as well, which is good for old people in their life. ਇੱਧਰ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਾ ਫਿਰ
ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇ ਕਰ ਹੱਥ ਸੂਰਜ ਮਹਲਾ ਪੰਜਵਾ ਹਰ ਮਨ ਤਨ ਵਸਿਆ ਸੋਈ ਜੈ ਜੈਕਾਰ ਕਰੇ ਸਭ ਕੋਈ ਹਰ ਮਨ ਤਨ ਵਸਿਆ ਸੋਈ जय जयकार करे सब कोई गुरपुरे की वड्याई ताकि
चलो जाओ ठीक है Very beautiful. Okay, so there. Okay. इधर बाल होल इत्थे भी हैगा okay so there's two hey sorry Paji ऊपर जा सकते हैं
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Okay. There's the upstairs. Who is here then? This is Kanwa Singh as well. Yeah, amazing. They're digital paintings though. Yeah, still incredible. I don't know, this one looks like a natural painting. This looks amazing. Yeah, what is it? Oh, what's in there? Nosy. Yeah, I've seen this being made for months and months and months, well, actually years, because of the coronavirus. It kind of had a bit of a delay, but it has come out incredible. Actually, this flooring is a bit, the design's a bit weird. God, I'm walking like an old man. Walking like a Buddha. I don't know why they did that. Can I get that done? Like, they were like metal. Okay. I'll big at the dig. These little metal stripes on the floor look like good. This mine. That's very deep. Where's it? The one section of the conservatory. Okay. Over here then. So you get the knees. Oh, this section there. Okay. Okay, so it's probably the weddings and stuff. Doors are beautiful, right? The doors. We recorded the doors before. Here's the langar, or what we call kind of free food. Like I said, well, I haven't said it yet, but anyone can come to the temple as long as you're not intoxicated and just get some delicious food, right? So this is here. No obligation as long as you're not intoxicated or causing trouble. Anyone can turn up and eat. So the dal. Not gonna lie, nothing. Oh my god, this is paneer. So it's not even like, you know, this is like, you know, food that is delicious. I mean, this is paneer. Kheer, which is like rice with got sugar in it, and yogurt with what we call bundi in it. And fruit chapati. Oh yeah. Let me dig into this now. Let me dig into it. Oh, and obviously water as well. So just taste a little bit of it. So dal first. Oh, do you know what? Yeah, I normally don't like dal, but for some reason the temple dal is my favorite. I don't know what they do when they cook it. It's just weird, man. I normally don't eat it at home. Here's paneer. With peppers. There's the kheer, like sugary rice. Oh, during the winter time, this is the best. You know, when it's cold. Yeah, you have to eat it properly now. But like I said, you can get this if you go to a Sikh temple, and they'll just serve you. As you can see, there's a serving behind right now. As long as you're respectful and you know, not intoxicated or anything, anyone can come in and you know, eat langar. So langar, which is like free food. So yeah, it's all empty. Eating the whole thing, man. God, so tasty. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, very tasty. Very tasty. Look at that, there's not even one bit left. Everything's been eaten. Or then what you do is you take your dishes over there and somebody washes them. I've all started doing seva down here because it's a nice big kitchen. Seva means giving free service. The problem with the old Gurdwara, it was quite small. And so it was kind of cramped in the back. Not a lot of people could go in there. Now it's big. So yeah, I'll start doing seva as well. You've got to, yeah, it's a nice place. Alright, so I'm leaving now. Beautiful Gurdwara. Especially the doors. What's going on here? Okay, so you can see the thing. It's got little seats over there as well, so you can sit down. That's suck it up it. Also got a massive car park down there as well. So ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੁਣ the exit ਕਿੱਥੇ ਹੈਗਾ ਔਰ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਜੇ 1 ਮਿੰਟ ਲਈ Okay, so the car park there. So this is the old Gurdwara. So what have they done now? Ki kita purana Gurdwara de naal? Have you not been in there? What's in there? Is it blocked up? Okay, so this used to be the old Gurdwara. I don't know what they've done to it. What have they done to Gurdwara? There's the old one. Okay, all band kita hone. The entrance. Okay, so this used to be the old entrance, so it's band hone. So we used to come through here. Still got the Nishan side here. New one. Okay, there's all the granite and stuff. Wow, still here. the size of those blocks, man. Wow. Beautiful, isn't it? Done an amazing job. Nice and modern. But not so modern that it kind of doesn't look like a Gurdwara. It's kind of... Okay. ਰਹਿਣ ਦੇ ਪਾਜੀ ਮੈਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੁਣ Okay. ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਬਾਜੀ That thing. Nicely done, man. Nicely done, good man. Yeah, so I might actually start coming to this Gurdwara. It's nice. It's not that far from me, and I got. Don't want to say too much, but I've got certain family situations about here. You know, certain things I have to do around here. So, you know, it's a nice Gurdwara. It's kind of, yeah, I'm not sure if all the, because there's a temple down the road, quite a big one, Gurdwara, which is just over there. And then you got a big one in Newham. I reckon people will start probably coming here because of it's a new kind of Gurdwara and stuff. Anyway, yeah, just been a long day. Actually, I've been out all day today on a Sunday. Normally I'm home, just kind of scribbling with my artwork, you know. So, yeah.